Most houseplants stop working the moment the lights go out, but there's one that doesn't. While you sleep, the snake plant keeps breathing, releasing fresh oxygen in the dark when almost every other plant in your home has gone still. Here's the real kicker. It's not folklore. It's a documented biological process called CAM photosynthesis. And it's the reason this plant belongs on your nightstand more than anywhere else in the house. Today, the 7 reasons the snake plant earns its place in your bedroom and how to keep it thriving with almost no effort. Now, a plant that helps you sleep sounds like a promise from the back of a supplement bottle. So let's be clear about what the snake plant does and what it doesn't, and let the science do the talking. Here's the one fact most gardeners never hear. During the day, plants use sunlight to make their food, and they release oxygen as a happy byproduct. At night, when there's no sun, most plants flip that process and actually release carbon dioxide instead. The snake plant is different. It keeps its pores closed all day to hold on to water, then opens them at night. And here's the beautiful part. It releases oxygen in the dark, exactly when you're breathing deeply and your room's air has gone still. Now, one plant on a nightstand isn't going to turn your bedroom into a rainforest. The science is honest about that. But a healthy snake plant does add a small, steady stream of oxygen right beside your head. And for a restful room, every little bit counts. The second reason it belongs in the bedroom is simple. Bedrooms are dark. Most rooms in your home get daylight, but a bedroom, especially one with curtains drawn for sleep, is often the dimmest room in the house. Most plants will slowly sulk in that kind of light. Their leaves go pale, their growth stalls, and eventually they give up. The snake plant doesn't complain. It grows happily in low light, tolerating exactly the kind of shade that would starve a peace lily or a fiddle leaf fig. So if your bedroom has one small window or even just a sliver of indirect light from the hallway, that's more than enough. This is a plant that doesn't ask for a sunny windowsill. It simply waits in the dim light, patient and steady. Here's the one I know will land for a lot of you. The mistake most people make with houseplants is loving them a little too much. Watering on a schedule, fussing, repotting, and slowly drowning the very plant they were trying to save. The snake plant forgives all of it. It survives weeks without water. It shrugs off dry air, cool drafts, and the occasional forgotten watering. In fact, the only sure way to hurt it is to water it too often. For the gardener who's watched more than one plant wilt under their care, this is the plant that lets you breathe easy. It asks for almost nothing, and it gives back for years. Now let's talk about the claim everyone's heard, the one about cleaning the air. Here's the honest version. A famous NASA study decades ago found that snake plants could remove certain indoor toxins from sealed chambers. Since then, the internet has turned that into, this plant will purify your entire home, which is more than the science actually promises. What the snake plant does do is absorb some common household compounds through its leaves and roots, the kind that drift off new furniture, paint, and cleaning products. One plant won't scrub a whole house, but it does help freshen the air in a single, contained room. And a bedroom is exactly that. A small, enclosed space where one plant can actually make a difference. Here's one most people don't think about. While the snake plant releases oxygen at night, it also releases a little water vapor into the air, a slow, gentle humidity that rises off the leaves. If you wake with a dry throat or a scratchy cough in the winter, Part of the problem is dry indoor air. A snake plant beside the bed adds back a touch of moisture, which can make breathing easier and the whole room feel just a little kinder on the skin. It's not a humidifier, it won't replace one, but as a quiet, natural companion to your sleep, it helps. And that brings me to something I think matters more than any single benefit. The snake plant fits the pace of a calm life. It doesn't need daily attention. It doesn't demand repotting every season or fertilizer on a schedule or a careful watering ritual. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks, keep it out of soggy soil, and it will quietly do its work without needing a thing from you. For those of us who want the peace of a living plant in the bedroom without another chore on the list, that's the real gift. The last benefit is the one closest to home. There's a stillness to the snake plant, those tall, upright leaves with their soft green edges and pale borders, that settles a room. It doesn't sprawl or demand attention, it simply stands there, quiet and grounded. A starving plant cannot bloom, but this one, even neglected, stands tall. Now, one gentle caution before I close. If you share your home with a curious dog or cat, keep the snake plant where they can't nibble it. It contains mild compounds that can upset a pet's stomach. For a bedroom, that's easy. A high shelf or a nightstand out of reach does the job. So here is your simple system. Choose a spot within a few feet of your bed where the plant gets soft indirect light, a nightstand, a dresser, or a shelf near the window. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks and only when the soil has gone dry. And let it do what it does best. Keep watch through the night while you rest. That's the quiet wisdom of this plant. It doesn't shout and it doesn't ask. It simply works the night shift, giving back oxygen and calm while the rest of the world sleeps. Now, I'd genuinely love to hear from you. Which of these 7 benefits surprised you most? And do you already keep a snake plant in your bedroom? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if this plant has a place in your home, watch our complete guide on the best bedroom plants next. It's waiting for you right on screen. Stay positive and keep blooming.